Hey guys, it's James again with Ruti Customs. I just want to do a quick review of this MIG welder I purchased about 4 or 5 months ago and have been using it in the shop. It is the SunGold MIG 200. This is an inverter based MIG welder. It's also a stick welder. And you also have the option, if you want to, you can get a spool gun for it and weld aluminum. So I picked this up off of Amazon for $379.99. Pretty happy with it. It has worked great. It is a dual voltage machine. It does come with the adapter to go down to 110. And then on the machine itself, you've got the power cord, which is a pretty long power cord, and it comes with the plug, which I was happy with. So, standard 50 amp plug. So, it does come with the drive roller. I will open the side of the machine. The drive roller's in there. That's a 10-pound spool. It says it comes with an 023, 030, and 035 wire guide. It didn't. I had to order another one that was supposed to be on a Lincoln, but it fit on here for the 023. So, and it also did not come with the spool adapter to run the 1-pound spools. It only came with the ability to run the 10-pound spools. So, it does come with, here I'll show you the gun the MIG gun it comes with. The MIG gun it comes with, it's a 10-foot MIG gun, 12-foot MIG gun, very similar to the titanium gun. So if I can get it to unhook. So there's the gun, leads up. It's got the coil thing and the quick connector. The coil and then the quick connector down here. So, and then it also came with an 8-foot, kind of a shorter ground. Does have the copper through the middle, not the greatest ground clamp, but it does work. So, and they're on the larger DINS plugs, so you can upgrade those pretty easily if you needed to. Let's see, titanium. Okay, the machine has a great return policy through Amazon, and you can buy up to a 3-year extended warranty for around $100 or under $100 for this machine. It does weigh less than 50 pounds, and that's with a full 10-pound spool in it. So without the spool, without it with any wire in it, it's under 40 pounds. It's got infinity adjustability, so there's no clicks. That's the voltage, and this is your wire speed. And then this one's for stick welding. It's got the MIG or stick or push pull or standard. So the one gripe I do have about it is there's no chart. There's no numbers anywhere here. And there's no chart on the inside of the door or anywhere on it or in the owner's manual to say, like most welders have, you know, oh, for welding 18 gauge, it's number B4 or whatever it is. So there's no chart. You just kind of got to set it about where you want it and adjust it. If you've done any amount of MIG welding, then you can figure it out. So it's not that hard. They do have a spool gun that lists on Amazon for $139. That's the spool gun that's supposed to fit, or that fits on this. I don't have the spool gun. It's not something I need. If I really need to weld aluminum, I weld with my TIG welder. So it's not a giant machine, but it is an inverter based 200 amp machine, so it will weld I've welded 1/4 inch 5/8 plate with it, and it's welded great. It does not come with the regulator or a line. You have to provide your own. There's dual fans in the back, on and off switches in the back, and then the little nub for the stub for the gas line. So you have to provide all that, but it did not come with that. It did come with a face shield and some extra tips and stuff like that. So I haven't had any issues with this welder yet. The first welder they sent me, the first one that came, the drive feed did not work at all when I plugged it in. So I called Amazon, or contacted Amazon. Amazon had me rebox it up. The guy picked it up and they shipped it, and the guy that picked it up is the same guy that delivered my new one. So and that was 2 days later. So great return policy. I just said it wasn't working. I have done all the rocker repair and replaced the floors in this truck with that machine, and it worked flawless. So great machine. I'd say it's a good investment. I was going to spend some more money. I replaced an old Lincoln I had that I've had for over 20 years, and I don't think this machine will probably last as long as that Lincoln, because that Lincoln's the older technology. But for under $400 delivered with I'm going to say $500 because you got to buy. I bought the 3-year extended warranty, so no questions asked after the first 90 days. So far I'm pretty happy with it. I will definitely give any updates if it starts acting up or anything goes wrong with it. So if you have any questions, post them below. Please like and share, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.